How to extract audio from video using Inshot. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the source bar and type Inshot. Now once you're done, simply tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on Inshot and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on Open. Now go back and tap on Video. Now tap on New. Now select your video. Now tap on the OK icon at the bottom right corner. Now select the video clip. Now scroll to the right and tap on Volume. Now simply tap on Extract Audio. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.